Hello everyone, and welcome back to the HrFlow.ai platform. Today, we're going to learn how to add custom tracking data to a Dropzone source. To better understand this tutorial, you need to watch the first introduction video describing how to create and customize a Dropzone source and how to embed it in your web page. As we saw in the first video, the Dropzone simplifies dramatically the application process by replacing long application forms with a simple drag and drop area. In this video, we'll see how to get the best of our Dropzone by associating customizable tags, labels, and metadata. First, let's head to the API documentation at developers.hrflow.ai. Under Traits Objects, we will find definitions and examples of these three types of tracking data. Labels contain information about a profile stage or rating for a given job. The stage value can be either yes, no, later, or new, while the rating value is between 0 and 1. Notice that you need to specify a job key and a board key when adding a label. As for the tag object, it contains short information that helps you mark or classify your profiles and jobs. Tags are searchable, and you can use the Profile Searching API to search through your pool of candidates. Information to include in tags can be a job ID or category, a user IP, or just a Boolean variable. Tags should not include long or secondary information that are not searchable, like comments. Finally, a good practice for naming tags variables is using snake case, which means replacing spaces with underscores and writing the first letters in lowercase. On the other hand, metadata is a set of extra data that gives additional information in order to provide a more accurate description of your profiles. Contrary to tags, metadata information is not searchable. Naming metadata variables using snake case is also a good practice to follow. To customize our Dropzone with tags, labels, and metadata, we just need to use the optional values script in our web page code. For example, we can add a job key and a page URL as tags, a comment as metadata, and a yes stage as label. Let's do a test and drop a resume to see if these elements will be added to our profile JSON. First, we upload the resume to the Dropzone. To see the profile JSON of the candidates we just sent through the Dropzone, we will use the HrFlow.ai Profile Searching API. To do so, we will use the Postman tool to send the request and view the results. First, go to developers.hrflow.ai and download the Postman collection containing all the endpoints of the HrFlow.ai API. Open the collection in Postman and go to the Profile Searching endpoint. You will need to specify the API keys and username in the headers section. Then we need to copy the source key of the Dropzone source before sending the search request. We can also set the limit to 1 so we can get the results for the last resume only. Finally, we send the search request by clicking on Send. As you can see, the resume has been successfully parsed, and the tags, labels, and metadata that we added to the Dropzone are present in the profile JSON. This concludes our tutorial for today. I hope you found it useful. As always, all relevant resources are in the video description. You can also leave your questions in the comment section and we'll get back to you. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get the latest HrFlow.ai tutorials. See you in the next video.